actress in a drama series. Viola Davis, How to Get Away with Murder.
I know love sounds so good. But I need you to choose me right now.
Mandy Moore, This Is Us. Emilia Clarke, Game of Thrones.
From no one else. Or it will take on a life of its own and you won't be able to control it or what it does to people.
Robin Wright, House of Cards.
Pain, hysteria, and just a small dose of crazy. Claire Underwood like they've never seen before.
Sandra Oh, Killing Eve.
Why didn't you shoot Raymond? We had it under control. No, You wanted me to do it.
Jodie Comer, Killing Eve.
What's that? The only thing that makes you interesting is me.
Laura Linney, Ozark.
You're the farthest thing from a killer there is!
Lucifer was an angel before he fell. He was pristine. He was blameless, and then one day he wasn't.
Lucifer wasn't a father.